Load your family into the 2015 Dodge Journey. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front and rear air conditioning, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.